And his point was that before Darwin came along, it seemed obvious to everyone that big complicated things like humans and oak trees and things had to have an explanation in terms of design. And it was a huge stroke of insight that Darwin figured that laws of physics are laws
Stop field.
that produces prodigious quantum compressed filter through this point process of natural observation. To me, it's always been strange that it took so long until the middle of the 19th century for Darwin and Wallace and even
Since thousands of years of thought.
yeah, they were brilliant people. Well, Aristotle could have managed and didn't. I mean, when you think how much cleverer you had to be to do what Newton did, or Leibniz, inventing calculus, working out about the laws of how gravity
There's
is.
the Newton figure up in here.
You'd think that somebody would have tumbled to evolution by natural selection before the middle of the 19th century, yet they didn't. And so that's an astonishing thing, and it needs an explanation.
Did Daniel Dennett explain why it took that long? And if he didn't, what would be your
I
explanation?
don't remember whether he did. Well, first of all, Ernst Mayr, the great Keynesian, I think,
Yeah, the American Museum of Natural
yeah,
History.
he thought it was because of essentialism. He thought that because of Aristotle and Plato, he thought that they thought like geometers, I mean, a right angle triangle is a kind of perfect form sort of hanging out there. And they thought that the perfect rabbit, the perfect rhinoceros, is hanging out there just like a right angle triangle. So you couldn't imagine how a rabbit could turn into just anything different. That was his explanation.
Order filled. Yeah, so end of day is also good. And it's basically they're still offering it for the same price as almost the same price as Apex offers the intraday trading accounts. But for the same price, you get an end of day trading account with Bilonox. But it has a daily stop out limit, which is a soft breach. You're not going to lose the account. You're just going to get stopped out for the day and you can continue the next day. No. Live futures trading, the best question. Unfortunately, still Bilonox has not made that change or that update. You can't, unfortunately. They only have Rhythmic. So that's I know. With Rhythmic, you can connect with NinjaTrader and Quantower, and of course Rhythmic Trader Pro, but unfortunately no TradeAwait. I know many of you guys like TradeAwait. Yeah, that's the only downfall of that. You're welcome. So my account's still valid. Yeah, check it later. I like NinjaTrader, it's just learning curve, yeah. So I hope they will, because many people like TradeAwait. I hope Bilonox will implement TradeAwait too, but for now nothing. I'm looking for entries, by the way, guys. I'm looking for some setups, but there's nothing happening. We had one trade early on the stream when we started on NASDAQ. It was a perfect trade. Gold didn't tap me into the trade. I had my limit at 42.9. I missed my entry with a few ticks. It went up there. By the way, if I would have entered, for example, on the 50% level on this retracement, which was just here to the tick, and my stop loss would have been down there, look at how beautiful trade it could have been. Shoulda, woulda, 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 coulda. Could have been a 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 or whatever. Nice trade. But it did not trigger. I use TradingView to chart, so I really only need Maxi. I do exactly the same as you. I mean, not the same, because I do like Quantower, but I like TradingView for charting. I hate it for trading. I think it's absolutely trash for trading. But for charting, I think it's the best platform. It's the best of the best, TradingView. Super simple, user-friendly. So if there would be no other than just Rhythmic Trader Pro with the buy and the sell button, that would be enough for me as well. But I like Quantower because of the copy trading. So copy trading is good with Quantower as a built-in function. So also the chart is not that, I mean, I like the charting thing with Quantower. It's not bad, but you know. Oh, what is happening? Live futures trading just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the team. All right. What is the activation fee for 50K Bilonox? I think it's 148. Let me check it. I think Bilonox activate. Google is our friend, as we always say. So here you go. Okay, Bilonox needs some time. It's loading the page. All right. Bilonox website has some problem to load in right now. Only a matter of hours. It's 148 bucks, by the way. The 50K, the 25K is 140 lifetime. The fees, there it is. 50K $148, 25K $143, and still the 100K is somewhat competitive. It's a little bit more expensive than Apex has under 100K when there is no sale going on. But don't go higher than 100K with Belonox, because look at the activation fees, $500 and $900 on the 150K, and the 250K is absolutely, it's not good. It's a ripoff. So don't go higher than 100K with Belonox. This price is still almost the same as Apex, but these are okay, standard. But the 150 and the 250, it's not good. It's not something I would go with. Yeah. But at least it's lifetime, you know. It's valid until Friday, by the way. Currently, that's what it says. Waiting for an entry. Waiting for an entry. All right, what is happening? Nothing. Still way in the kill zone, but hard to say where this will go.
Order filled.
Also, check it out. We have a giveaway going on. It's in the pin message. Go ahead. And participate. We're gonna pick the winner on Tuesday, I think, live on stream. If you're not here, no problem. We're gonna tweet it out, and I'm gonna tweet it out.
Stop filled.
And you're gonna get the email if you win. Let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Friday. So I'm guessing Friday until the end of New York PM session, you know. So until Friday market close, or even Friday 11:59 PM. So Friday midnight. Eastern Standard Time. Should be on for the full day. Not sure about Saturday, but they usually just deactivate it automatically after the time frame goes off. So still a good opportunity if someone wants to. Oh, Thomas Jensen, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the sub. I think the 30-minute fair value gap on NQ will give direction for session. The 30-minute gap, let me check. I don't really use the 30-minute chart, but you know, there's a time for everything. Yeah, look at that. On the 30-minute on NASDAQ, there's a gap here from 26 to 28-ish. Market structure shift. It's pushing higher, so we could be going for the 250 level. I think Gamecraft said it. Yeah, Gamecraft. And I think it's a good level, 250. So let's go. I have no entry currently, but you know, if we would see a displacement, we should be breaking the 38 then with a strong up close candle. That I would be considering to go for the 250, but otherwise not really. As for gold, it's getting tricky. Look at the 1 hour on gold. Went down there, swept some lows, no fair value gap here. Took out the order block from Monday, so the order block is being taken out.
Order filled.
Repriced this fair value gap. We have a daily fair value gap higher, but honestly, I don't see anything down there that's interesting for the market. That could be interesting. We have some swing lows down there, but really on the 1 hour, I don't see anything that could be point of interest for price. If I go to the 4 hour, no. Relative equal lows, but you know, nothing special on the 4 hour as well on gold. And fundamentally, I'm still very, very bullish. Also, bearish order block up there on the 4 hour. And as we talked about it, we are inside of a daily bearish order block. Now I want this to be broken. I like to see it broken apart. So that makes me still bullish on gold, but it is what it is. Yeah, bank holiday not moving. In Europe, there's banks are still open in Europe, so that's why we could see some action. Well, let's quote that, quote unquote action. Maybe until futures exchange is gonna open, COMEX is gonna open as usual, but for limited time. Stock exchange is not opening, so might be some volume kicking in until 8:30 or after 8:30-ish, but Eastern Standard Time, that is. But I don't know. On the DOM, on Top Step X, there is resting 140 on 250. Okay, so that's good to know. That's good to know. The closing is going to be 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think Top Step and Take Profit Trader requires you to close positions at 12. Apex might let you to hold it for a little longer.
Stop filled.
But eventually they're going to close
Stop
it down
filled.
for you. So even if you take a trade, be careful. These are not ideal market conditions. And obviously, you know, you can still see a move in the kill zone, but don't expect too much. I mean, look at NASDAQ on the 1 hour, sorry, not 15 minute, for example. It's still consolidating. The range is from 212, yeah, so in about 30 points range still. It's not ideal. I was actually risking a little bit by taking this long, but at least it was a good one. It's a slow day. Wetfield, love you, Tom. All right, thank you, Wetfield. Love you too. Love you too, you know. My backtest includes holidays, so I trade as normal, yeah. I mean, you can still find some good trades, you know, during the holidays. You might have to focus on some lower time frames. I don't know. I don't know. NASDAQ has just stopped. Come on, make a displacement. Somebody pulled the plug on NASDAQ. My in-laws are starting with us, staying with us. Okay, drinking and huge. Oh, really? Oh, haven't drank in a year, but they want me to stay. Yeah, staying. They won't let me. Yeah, you should drink, man. You should, you know, when the family gets together, you know, have some good time, have a drink. You have to. You have no other choice but to drink. To go and drink. Yeah, Marcus, drink the father under the table to assert dominance. I like that. Yeah, rude not to, so you must. There you go, Wetfield. That was good, Marcus. Yeah, drink the father under the table. You have to. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if you guys know that movie. Anyway, I can't explain that to you. It's an old movie. It's an Italian movie. Bud Spencer and Terence Hill, two iconic Italian actors, and you know, Bud Spencer said he was asked that, can you drink? And he said, yeah, you know, the first 5 liters is okay, but you know, after the first 5 liters, I get to be a little anxious. Internet went down in the middle of the trade. What? Shy, what the hell? I always drink more than Oh, okay, you can, okay then. Wet milk, yeah, definitely. You have the background to do that, so you're trained. As Bruce Wayne said to Ra's al Ghul in Batman Begins when they were training and fighting, you're trained. You're trained. Wet milk, you can do that. Today, Germany versus Hungary. I would put my bet on Germany, that's for sure. Sorry to say that, sorry Hungary, but the Hungarian football team is crap, bunch of crap. They had a good run maybe a few years ago on the European Cup, but anyway, the Hungarian football team is, unfortunately, the golden days was in 1954, you know, when the golden team, I think they were playing with the Germans. Were they? Germany, Hungary in the finals, the World Cup finals. Hungary was second. There is a Hungarian team, yeah, imagine that. One of my idols in life and everything is the famous Hungarian football player Ferenc Puskás. I told that to you guys. I have books about him, and he passed away, of course, many years ago. But Ferenc Puskás, who played in the World Cup in the 1950s and then was a player for Real Madrid. Now his life is exceptionally awesome, and the things that he achieved as a player and as a coach. Leaving Hungary after the war, at the Civil War, and starting a new life in Spain, and you know, all his achievements. Exceptionally awesome idol. Gold could do. Oh well, look at that. No entry on this one on gold, but finally we took out previous day high. Finally we took it out. What? Excited to stream with the? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make him so nervous. You know, I'm gonna make him do stupid trades and lose money. I'm gonna try everything in my power to make him do stupid trades. No, I'm not. Just a little bit. 10 Connies. Yo! That's how you do it, Redmill. That's how you do it. NQ is still edging higher, slowly, but it's going. And actually, it's going sideways.